We all get a little low on cash from time to time. Your fat loss regimen does not have to suffer. In this recipe for budget roasted chicken and green beans, we start with frozen chicken. You get just as much protein in frozen meats as fresh, so don't hesitate to make the substitution and save some cash. Next, we have frozen green beans. Frozen vegetables are almost always cheaper than fresh, and as they're frozen shortly after harvesting, they retain much of their nutrients. You probably have salt at home already. We're not using a ton of olive oil, so this too is an economical ingredient. Flavorgod seasonings are a go-to seasoning in terms of adding flavor without calories. One bottle goes a long way.